Just check once these formulas. How many formulas you know from before?
Yeah, sir. One is sir 4, I think. So.
4 you know from before.
Sir, I
Yes,
know
sir.
four.
A, sir, means it is related to the formula like a
Okay.
plus square is equal to a square plus b.
Okay, I'm asking you. Okay, first one, both of you know from starting only.
Yeah, sir. First one.
Yes, sir.
Second one,
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
third one,
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
fourth one,
Yes, sir.
Sai Charan.
Sir, yeah, sir. I think.
Simple multiplication. Simple multiplication is
Yeah,
this.
sir. I can do means.
See, x you should multiply with both, and a also multiply with both. We'll get the same answer. Okay.
Okay.
Next, fifth one,
Yeah, sir.
a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b whole cube, okay.
Yeah, sir. A plus.
A minus b whole cube,
Yes, sir.
a cube plus b cube. No, right?
No, sir.
Sriyanvi, you?
No, sir.
See, from this only how we can elaborate to this one x cube plus y cube. I'm just explaining here. If you know x plus y whole cube, no. See, I'm just writing it here. X plus y whole cube is equals to, we know the formula, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Correct? And you can multiply also. 3xy you can multiply inside, so you'll get 3x square y plus 3xy square. So what we have to find here, I have to find here x cube plus y cube. See here, x cube plus y cube. This much only you should find, correct? So now you can tell me how to remember this formula. No, till now also not clear, because if I tell me the formula, you will tell in this way. You will tell me x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. Correct, no children? You will tell in this form, correct? Sai Charan, you will tell the same way. X cube plus y cube, I written it as x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. Did you understand, Sai Charan? Tell me, child. Is it clear?
Sir, no, sir. No.
Okay, you are not clear with this. Okay, fine, no problem. I'm just telling you once again. What I'm saying, this formula you know or not? Tell me.
So which one, sir? X plus y cube, whole cube, sir.
Yeah, this formula you know or not? Just given here. You only told me now. You know the formula. This one.
Yeah, sir. I know.
Okay. So now this one from first formula, can we write like this or not? This is clear or not? Do you tell me? And if you are having doubt, you tell me where you are having doubt.
Yeah, sir. We can write it like this, sir. Means replace that one. Yes. Now I understand.
Now, can both of you can tell me that what I'm asking? Try to understand this formula. What I'm writing? 1 minute. This formula. Oh, I make it more this thing. This whole formula, it can be written as, this whole formula can be written in this form. How to do this one? Both of you, one can do that. This formula can be written in this form. If you can do, tell me. If you are not able to do, then also tell me. If you can do, you can try, then also tell me. I think Sai Charan will try now. Correct, Sai Charan?
So
this both formula are same. How we can prove that? Who will tell me from both of you? Any one of you can tell me?
Sir, I don't understand it, sir.
So which one, sir? X minus y whole cube, x plus y whole cube, x cube plus y cube. That one, sir.
Orange part you can see, orange part.
Yeah, sir.
Both orange part is same. Who can prove this? Both orange part is same.
Yeah, sir. It's same, sir.
How?
Here he has written it as x square minus xy plus y square, sir. Here we have replaced it with x plus y whole cube formula, sir.
So if you solve this, you'll get same answer. Can you
Yeah,
get the same answer if you solve this one and this one? You'll get the same answer, Sai Charan.
yeah, sir. 1 minute, I will solve.
Sriyanvi, you tell something.
I don't understand it, sir.
You didn't understand how both are same or not, right? But you understood now how we are writing these two steps, that you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
But you are not getting only this step, how this formula is arriving, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sai
means
Charan?
x cube plus y cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y minus 3xy into x plus y minus 1. No, x plus y.
See, Sriyanvi, one hint I'm giving for both of you, okay? Sai Charan.
Okay.
See, in this down part, okay, in this down part, you take x minus y, x plus y common from both and then see what is coming on the bracket part. In this down one, what I'm writing here, see, this one, like flower bracket I put, no. This one you take x plus y as common and in bracket what is coming pending, that you look into it. Once you do that, you take x plus y common and in bracket what is coming pending, that you write and see whether the same is coming or not. Try. Don't see here and there. Saicha, you are not trying.
Yeah, sir, I'm doing, sir.
Okay, fine. Do. Then only will prove your brain how this can be written as this. Same ditto. Nothing is there. Same way answer. Are you getting same formula or not?
I don't understand it, sir.
See what
Sir,
I'm
I
saying.
think I have got it, sir. Means, sir, here he have did, sir. We will get this answer. Means x plus y into x square minus xy plus
Yeah.
y square. If we do, sir, x into x square minus xy plus y square and plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, sir.
Wait 1 minute. See, this is the first part. What I'm saying, try to understand once again. This is the first part, this is the second part. I told that you take x plus y common from both. I told this only, no, Sriyanvi?
Yes, sir.
So what will be pending from first one? First part, what will be pending? Sai Charan, tell me.
Sir, x square
Hey,
plus y
how,
square.
don't tell x square. You just first you tell me x plus y whole square.
Ah, sir, x plus y whole.
Yeah, don't expand right now. First go step by step, okay? So this is cube. So one you have taken, what one part you taken out. So inside bracket you can write x plus y whole square. Shanvi.
Yes, sir.
Then what is pending in the second part?
Minus 3.
Minus 3.
Minus xy, sir.
Xy also will come, right?
Yes, sir.
Now now you also you are getting or not. Now also you see you are getting both same or not. This one and upper formula you are getting same or not. Now also you are getting or not. Just check. Now also you should get. At least at this stage you should get. Now this is similar to upper formula or not. Tell me both, Sai Charan and Shranvi. Now it's same or not?
Sir, I think no, sir.
No. Wow. You
Sir,
expand, Sai Charan, you just expand inside the bracket part. What you are getting, just check. Don't think.
again we need to factorize the inside one, sir.
Don't factorize, just expand. Why to factorize? You just expand this. Just expand. Inside the bracket, just expand that. See x plus y as it is. In a bracket, what you can write, Sai Charan, tell me x plus y whole square. So what do you
Sir,
get?
yeah, sir. We are getting the same answer, sir. It is sir means x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 3xy. Sir.
Yeah, now you'll get the same.
Yeah, sir. 2xy minus 3xy minus xy, sir. And
Yeah,
remaining are x square plus y.
exactly. So don't mug up anything. Just if you know the process, no, you know everything, children. If you know the process to solve, you can find out any formula, right? So from this only it arrives like this. Now it's clear, Shravani?
Yes,
Sorry,
sir.
Sriyanvi, yeah. This also you can do in similar ways. How this is we are arriving, correct, children? I hope this is clear. Both formula you can remember and it will have in your mind now. So next question number 10th. This is not question, formula number 10th. Can you see formula number 10th? And do you know from before or not? X plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. And if, see children, if x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to, we can write 3xyz. If xyz is equals to 0, see if this is equals to 0, if this is equals to 0, then this whole part becomes 0. Understood what I'm saying? This is multiplication. X plus y plus z is in multiplication. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Sir,
So if this part is 0, so whole complete part is 0. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So we can write x cube plus y cube x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3abc. We can write 3xyz. Can we write like this or not? 3xyz, you just send it to right hand side. That's it. You can see that. Can we see that? If x cube plus y cube minus z cube is equal to 3xy, this formula is there. If this whole part is not there, then this 3xyz you can send to other side or not. So we can write it here, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is nothing but 3xyz. Is it clear, Sai Charan?
Sir, but he told that, if 3 into xyz, sir, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then it was 0, sir.
The
It's
same
3x.
thing, just the same thing I'm telling you, that if x plus y plus z is equals to 0, it means this part is what?
0, sir.
So whole your RHS part is 0, correct?
Yeah, sir.
So then this 3xyz, if you send this side, what will come? This only will come, no?
Sir, now I.
Huh?
Yeah, sir. Now I understood.
All right, fine. So this is clear, children. Till now, anyone having doubt? Now example number 2 is there. This you can factorize. See, 8x to the power 3 plus 27y to the power 3 plus 36x square y plus 54xy square. Can you do this, children?
Sir, I think we need to add those, means 27y cube plus 3x.
How you can add anything here? How you can add? See, first try to make, this is cube is coming, means this is, you should think that this is some cube formula is coming into picture. So here also plus, here also plus, here plus, right? Plus, plus. So if you see this formula, children, so this is the form of this, right? Can you see this? Sai Charan, same formula is coming or not? But only thing is, this is not x cube. You should write here 2x to the power 3 plus 3y to the power 3 plus 3 into x square, that is 2x square, into y, that is 3y, plus 3 into x into 3y square. So if you multiply this, you will get the same. If you multiply this one, you will get the same. So answer is what? What is answer for this, children? Shianvi, Sai Charan, tell me what is the answer for this? Simply you can write 2x plus 3y whole cube. If this form is given to you, x cube plus y cube, the answer should be in this form. Understood, children? If other LHS part is given to you, the answer is RHS part. If RHS part is given to you, you should write in answer in LHS part form. It's clear, Sai Charan?
Sir, no, sir. I'm not.
Okay, fine. See, at x to the power cube, you can write 2x to the power 3 or not? Sai Charan, tell
Yeah,
fast.
sir.
Now 27y to the power 3, you can write in 3y to the power 3.
Yeah, sir.
So now instead of 36x square y, you can write 3a square b. The a is this one, b is this one. Or x
Yeah.
is this one, y is this. Whatever you just want to write, you just say 3x square y plus 3x y square. It's clear, Sai Charan? If you multiply this, automatically you'll get this answer or not. See? Not getting, Sai Charan?
No, sir. Means I'm not
Wait.
understanding, sir. So,
I'm just erasing everything. Shianvi, you got? Shianvi?
Kind of, sir.
All right, fine. See, Sai Charan, this is not whole cube form. That's why we're converting it to whole cube. You tell me exactly where you're having doubt. 2x to the power 3. This you understood?
sir, means 2x to the power 3, we cannot write it, sir. Right? Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
Whole cube I'm writing. I'm not writing only this 2x cube directly, not like that. Whole cube. This is 8x to the power 3. I'm writing 2x to the power whole cube. It's not same.
Yeah, sir. It's not same.
It's not same. It's same, no.
Yes. It's the value is same, sir. Means that.
Yeah. Next, 3y to the power of cube I can write.
Yeah, sir.
Suppose this part is x, this part is y. So our formula is what? I'm just xy formula I'm writing. X
Plus
cube,
3y whole cube, sir.
you are writing in this way only, no? Plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Like this only, right?
Yeah, sir.
The same formula I'm going to write in the same pattern. 3x square is 2x square into 3y. This is clear or not?
Yeah, sir.
Plus 3 into 2x into 3y whole square. It is clear or not?
Yeah, sir.
If you multiply Sai Charan, no, this one, you will get the same value. If you multiply this, you will get the same value. Okay. Now it's clear, Sai Charan.
Yes, sir.
Now this part, now see the upper one. We are having this part here, right?
Yeah, sir.
So we have
Yeah.
to write the value in this form, LHS form. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
answer should be 2x plus 3y to the power 3. This is your answer. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Now I understand.
All right, fine. So it's clear, right? Fine, children, we'll stop the meeting here itself. The next class we'll just move to the exercises and all. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye. Good night. Take care.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Bye.